Halika na, halika na. Alright, water break. Wait! Mo Pam. Stam!
Hello. Hello. Yeah, later. Not yet.
I know.
Yeah. When he's serving, you take him.
Mic'd up. Hello?
Hello. How's everyone?
Halika na, halika na. Huwag mong ibigin.
Okay, serve na. Ano, be?
Okay lang. Basta yung kuryente natin. No, nawala tayong kuryente kanina. Kanina umaga, wala din. Kasi nawala yung camera namin eh. Good na. Good. Saan ako? Wala. Dito ako sa ano? Doon ka, Cindy. Dito ka.
Ako.
Game.
Yes.
Ulit.
I know. Oh, nice try. That's okay.
Stay. I want you. 1-1.
Hey, dito lang to. In.
Tama, hindi. Sa gitna pala ako. Sip ako.
Not yet ako.
Sip.
Ano ba yung pasta na yun?
Dito ako, gitna ako ah.
Hey!
Puro kayo eh. Stay lang kayo. Game. Yan, sa inyo yan. Nice up.
No. The floor. It's okay. I know.
What's that, Ganten?
Right side, you're up. Dito ka.
Tailbone mo?
Oh, you start.
Dito yung tailbone.
Go, setters out. I got it.
Ay, Cindy May. Nice up. Go kaya, Mark.
Papa! Bing!
Boom! Panes!
No, boom! Tas panes. Ano ka na, Dwayne? Pasok na.
Bawi ako, Lord. Eto na.
Middle siya, middle.
Pahirapan nila.
Hey! Boom!
Boom Panes!
Boom panes!
Tatlo lang.
Sab.
Sige, go. I got it. Go! Nasaan yung Dwayne! Pasok ka sa taas!
Let's go!
But you're hitting middle.
Let's go. Okay ka lang? I-touch mo yan kasi hindi ka nag-stretch. Nag-touch ka?
Dito ka. Help! Easy lang. Hey, kalma lang. Dwayne, up ka.
Sundan mo lamang ang aking...
Dito ka. Don't pass. Come to me. So let them. You guys are too crowded there. No, you have to like behind me. That's okay.
I'll just go in front of you. Just do it quick.
Okay. Ano? Diyan ako, I'm set. Yeah!
Out.
Good job. Power na. Pasok ka na dun. Gitna ka na, Dwayne. Ay, dito.
Hindi, May. Na.
Yay! Bomba!
Boom, pare!
Bomba!
Dalawa.
Josh! Wag ka mapalo kung nasan ako!
Dalawa lang yan, oh. Out!
Nice try,
Okay.
Carl. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, tama. Ha? Oy! Ha? Hello! Outside. Hey! Ikaw na, AJ. Let's go! Tara na.
Dalawa ulit.
One. Yes. Quick. Block. Dwayne, gitna ka nga!
Isa.
Si Dwayne, hindi alam kung nasan yung rotation niya. Lito ka, be. Dwayne, diyan ka. Outside. Ikaw na. Uy, walang blocker ako dito. Kayong dalawa lang mag-block. That's okay. Okay lang yan. Oh.
Basta ikot.
Kaya pasok ka na.
Hindi nag-decision.
I got it. Sorry. That's okay.
Oh, wala. Tie ball.
Okay, tara. Kaya, dito ka, RJ. Okay lang yan. Guys, get in the game. Hey, AJ, you're here. Taya,
Ay,
go
madyo
there.
yan.
At Taya, middle, siya magstay doon. Help.
Sorry.
Okay, malaki sir.
Nagwat, oh. Sana ko, boy.
Okay,
Ano ka, boy?
let's go. Uy, Taya, watch.
Wag, boy. Wala.
Net.
Akin na.
Isda ka ba?
Just kidding. Sorry po.
Ay, net?
Sabi ko sa kanya, isda ka ba? Nasa net ka.
Bakit? Ha?
That's okay. That's alright.
Flat, no?
Spinner. Short! Hey!
Akin. Uli ko. Uli ako. Bawi ako receive. Outside.
Dang it! Sorry. I was trying to, Backhands. Three swings. Bakit nandito ka? You're in front. I got it. Go! I got it. Carl! Kung hindi ka manisda, di mo papapaluin. Okay lang. I know! Kaya nga sabi ko, wait!
Nice serve, Bert. Nice serve.
It's okay, I got it. AJ, take.
Sundan mo lamang ang aking galaw.
Short. Go.
Karagdagan mga, Cindy, karagdagan mga Ebat Adan.
Carl! Carl! Tatlo na yan, ha?
Ebat Adan. Ebat Adan. Ebat Adan. Kaya shoot.
Isa.
Shoot.
Isa. Tatlo. Bilang yan, ha?
Ayan.
Dito ka, Be. Dito ka.
Mamaya. Ikaw na yung next.
AJ! Sige. Pasa!
Shoot!
Up lang. Let's go. Si AJ for now kasi kailangan ng pasa. Ako na! Go, Carl!
Good! Yan na. Shoot na. Shoot.
Sorry! Ito lang yun. No. Up pa rin. Ano?
Push 3.
AJ! Dito kayo. Ay, tayo pala.
Push 3.
Dwayne! Sa taas. Dwayne, sa taas.
Sorry, Cindy.
Go! Mama mine. Go! Alon ka pa! Guys, focus lang tayo. Focus lang. Ay,
Sabi ko ako, Ford.
focus tayo.
Shoot, Cindy, shoot.
AJ.
Shoot ba, Andrew E? Shoot.
Nanghihingal ako.
Paloy mo yan. Touch. Shoot.
Okay, that's okay. Shake it off. Ayan, one pass.
Oh, last one.
Pasa. AJ. Quick.
Nice up.
Sorry pa! I got it. AJ! That's okay.
Good job. Let's go.
Good job, guys.
Your guys' turn.
Good job.
JP, M, ikaw.
Oh, we keep playing. Okay. Hey, switch up. Carl! Gitna ka, Carl. Say, gitna ka. What do you want to play?
Is that a microphone?
Say live.
For what? Oh.
Right
okay.
side.